Hey, what's up guys? It's Dustin from Down Dog Coffee Roasters again. Thanks for coming back to our second video series of Namaste at Home and Brew Coffee Guide. Today we're going to be using a French press. We like the French press because it's accessible, it's easy to use, and it makes a really clean cup of coffee. In addition to the press, there's a couple things that we're going to need. A grinder, a kettle with some hot water, a scale if you have one, tablespoons if you don't, a spoon to stir with, and of course some coffee. Today we're going to be using our Café Femenino Guatemala. It's from the Huehuetenango region, and we really like it. So the first step is to get your coffee, weigh it out, and grind it. I've gone ahead with those steps already. In addition to grinding it, something to take note of is that this coffee in a French press is best when it's ground on coarse. So we set it to coarse and ground our coffee. Just take out your filter, set the container out, and add the coffee. For this brew, we're going to be using 60 grams of coffee, or the equivalent of about 4 tablespoons. We'll be adding a total of 32 ounces of water, which is also about 950 milliliters. For the first part, when we add the water, the goal is to just saturate the coffee and to kind of get it to start the brewing process. So as I start with the first part, I like to rotate the container around to make sure that all the coffee is getting nice and saturated, getting ready to go. This part is also considered the bloom. So this is when the coffee sort of releases some of the carbon dioxide from the roasting process. It's actually pretty cool. So don't be alarmed if when you get your coffee, it has a bunch of bubbles in it like this. So we allow our bloom to sit for 1 minute. After a minute, we grab our spoon and make sure that we mix all the remaining coffee grounds to make sure that they're saturated and ready for the rest of the process. Once our minute's done, we take the rest of our coffee and add it to the top. Again, I use the same process of making sure that I'm getting the coffee as wet and covered and evenly brewed as possible. I usually stop just about an inch or so from the top. If you don't, when you go to put the filter on, it can spill out, which is never good. So from here, take your filter, set it on top of the coffee, close the lid, and make sure not to press down on the press. From here, we're gonna wait 4 minutes while this coffee brews. So while we wait for this coffee to brew, this is the perfect time to reflect on our yoga practice. In order to get really good coffee out of a French press, you have to be able to adjust your grind. In order to live a full life, you have to be able to adjust your mind. One of the biggest mantras we have at Down Dog Coffee Roasters is to remain grounded in gratitude. This mantra reminds us that we should be appreciative for the small things and the big things and everything in between. We know that remaining mindful will be able to have a calm, content mind, and that will ultimately lead to happiness. So we would encourage you guys to think about 2 or 3 things that you're grateful for while you brew your coffee in your French press. When the time's up, you're gonna put your hand on the lid so that you don't spill as you push down on the filter. It's gonna be a slow, controlled push, getting all of the water to come through those grounds. Once you get to the bottom, make sure that you fill up a cup for a friend. Fill up a cup for yourself. Find somewhere to sit and hang out and enjoy your coffee. Check out our website for the brew guide and additional videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.